Hey everybody, this is take two, Nikki Jordan on day 17, except it's on the 18th day because I skipped yesterday, of 25 days of push-ups. And I don't know what happened to the last broadcast. So today we're going to work on our hands. So we use our hands for everything and they get very tight. So just even the texting or just on your phone, cutting things, sewing, I don't do sewing, cooking, clenching your fists, we use them all the time. So I'm going to start with my pinkies, and I'm kneeling here, right? I want the belly backwards, and I'm going to press down in the pad of my finger and push up. And you'll notice you might have two very different types of fingers. My left is much more even and strong, my right is not. So I'm going to ask my hands to even themselves out as I do that. So 3 times, then I'm going to the outside, press down, and I'm stretching, can't go that far, and push up. Press down, push up. This is stretching. And in reflexology, the side of the top of the hand, then turn it inside, press down, push up. The top of the fingers all the way down to where it meets the hand, those are the head and the neck. The head is at the top tip, and the neck goes towards the hand. And then where they meet, it's right at the shoulders. This is very useful. Okay, so we went center, outside, inside. Now I'm going to go to the 4th finger. Press down into the pad of the finger and push up. Press down, from pressing down, push up. Ooh, I got a cramp again. Press down, push up. Press down, push up. Move to the outside. Press down, push up. Press down, push up. Press down. These are stretching and strengthening the fingers. Push up. Inside, press down, push up. Press down, push up. You could even have your hands a little wider so they're in line with your shoulders. Push up. Okay, because my hand was, now many of you, your wrist might not be as flexible as mine, but you can stretch the wrist. I like to stretch it way down. Okay, stretch because it goes right into the palm of the hand. All right, so middle finger, press down, push up. Press down, push up. You're pushing with the pads of the hand as much as your finger, as much as you can. Push up. Press down, push up. Press down, push up. Rolling to the outside. Press down. Okay, there's something wrong on my right hand. Push up, press down, push up. Press down, push up. Inside. Really, I can feel the stretch on the right hand between the 2nd and 3rd finger. And then index finger, press down, push up. Center on. Outside edge, press down, push up. Press down, push up. So my right hand is significantly tighter than my left, which makes it weaker. It's not as integrated with the body. Thumb, press down, push up. Press down into the furniture, push up. Press down, push up. Outside, press down, push up. I have to widen my hands a little bit for this. And then inside, press down, push up. Press down, push up. Press down, push up. Okay, so now my fingers feel very different. You can move them around in circles, the fingers in the joint, to give them more motion, more fluidity. Because your joints are key to your lymph system working, right? The lymph system doesn't have a pump like the heart. Okay, so movement. So I'm not going to put all my fingers on except for my thumb and push up. And press down in and push up. Press down in and push up. Do the thumb again, press down in, push up. So by stretching and opening the joints, all right, now you can by stretching and opening the joints, you help move the lymph in your body. So my rim of my heel of the hand is on the ground, and I'm just gonna press the pads in and the rim of the heel of the hand. So I'm gonna lean into it, and I'm gonna lift up the palm and then let go. And press and lift, and let go. And press and lift, and let go. And press and lift, and let go. And if you have a corner, maybe this one's too sharp, sometimes I like to go into this thenar muscle here in the thumb, and I just stretch it. So I'm taking my, right at the edge there, I'm taking this part on the corner, just leaning in and stretching it. Okay, sometimes it's helpful to have a tool. Now you don't want something too sharp. I'm going to do it on the other side too. But it's just like a massage therapist working into your muscle, helping the muscle start to relax, helping the muscle to get circulation. Okay, so I'm doing this partially because I've had toxins lodging in my joints here, and I'm just going to hold it for a second. So I have my fingers angled, and I'm holding my nice farmer's hands here from doing my work, and I'm just holding, and it's stretching my wrist and stretching right at that thumb area. Okay, so that's stretching and push-ups for today, or for this part of today, because I'll catch up to day 18 later on. But I really like those. And if you have these, if you don't, feel free to buy them from me, because these are great. Healthyandrested.com, my website. There's all kinds of things I do with these footballs. They're for your hands as well. And they're really fabulous for keeping our hands open. We need to keep our hands open, and you give yourself a reflexology session by doing this, that I can discuss